Hello, honey.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Tuấn.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Today I'm very well. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Me too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, today we have a test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the picture and answer me. Now, what animal is it?
It is a dog.
What animal is it?
It is a cow.
What color is the cow?
Cow is white.
And
And
black.
lamb.
Okay, so what animal is it?
Chicken.
Okay, what animal is it?
It is a cat.
Well, what does a cat have?
Cat has 4 legs.
One.
And 1 nose. And 1 mouth. And tail eyes.
2 eyes.
And tail
2 ears.
2 ears.
Okay, so what animal is it?
It is a duck.
Duck? Is it duck? Yeah. What animal is it?
It is a sheep.
No, it's not sheep here. So what animal is it? It's a bird.
It is a bird.
So is the bird happy or is the bird sad?
Happy.
Happy? Yeah. Okay, what animal is it?
It is a sheep.
Amazing. What animal is it?
It is a rabbit.
Yeah, do you like the rabbit?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what animal is it?
It is a pig.
Okay, what animal is it?
It is a goat.
Oh, it's a goat. Yeah, can you read it?
Yes.
Okay, now let's say animals on the farm.
Animal on the farm. It's a farm. Many animals live on the farm. It's a welder. The welder has 4 legs. It's a yellow chicken. The yellow chicken has 10 legs. It's a white rabbit. The white rabbit has 4 legs and 2 ears.
2 ears.
2 ears.
Amazing.
It's a lapdog. The lapdog is 1 big mouth. It's a yellow duck. The yellow duck has 2 legs.
2 legs.
From animal and wonderful.
Wow, you're wonderful too. Great job. High five. Okay.